To get rid of spiders in your house, start by vacuuming everywhere in your home, including underneath furniture and in the backs of closets to remove any webs and egg sacs. Then apply a spider repellent around the perimeter of your home to prevent spiders from making their way inside. To make your own spider repellent, add 15 drops of peppermint, tea tree, or lavender oil to a spray bottle filled with water. Next, make sure to seal any cracks around doors and windows using caulk and repair any tears in window screens so it's harder for spiders to get inside. Move piles of wood, leaves, or compost away from the perimeter of your home, since spiders like to hide in these places. If your spider problem persists, you may want to use an insecticide to kill any spiders inside your home. Look for non-toxic pesticides since they're safer, especially if you have children or pets.